Question number 18 of test series 10 is from water resources from chapter of laminar flow. Now in this question it is asked that a 30-meter dia pipe, it is having diameter of 30 mm sorry, and it carries a laminar flow of liquid with mu equal to 1.5 centipoise, and the velocity at axis, this is V max, it is given as 4 meter per second. So from this equation we can calculate V average from knowledge of laminar flow as V max divided by 2, which comes out to be 2 meter per second. Now it is asked that what is shear stress at midway between axis line and a wall. Now if we talk about variation of shear stress is varies something like this in case of laminar flow, and this maximum value of tau naught is given by 8 into mu into V average upon D, where D represents the diameter of the pipe, mu is the dynamic viscosity, and V is the average flow velocity. So tau naught comes out as 8 into 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 2. This is to convert it into SI units, divided by 30 into 10 to the power minus 1. So upon simplification it comes out to be 0.80 Newton per meter square. Now since this is the linear variation, so at any distance of 1 by 2 from wall, tau will be given by 0.80 divided by 2, which comes out to be 0.40 Newton per meter square, because it is asked that what is the value of shear stress at midway between center line and wall. So correct answer for question number 18 turns out to be option number C.